Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make font animations in CapCut. So basically, you just need to add your video and go to text. Then just add your text. And then change it into your favorite font. Okay, let's say I want to use this font. You can adjust the position, and then to make it like have animation, just go to animation and choose the loop, for example, and then choose which one that you think fits your video the best. For example, I want to use this shake one. Just click on the animation and just wait until it's applied to your phone. Then after that, you can adjust to slow it down or make it fast by swiping it left or right and click on a check icon, and then you are done. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.